Hi everyone, welcome to Writing with Miss Segura. This week we're going to be working on the writing process. And the first step of the writing process is always pre-writing. This is when you think about what you are going to write, you organize your thoughts in your brain, and remember I've always told you pre-writing is sounds easy, but it's probably the toughest part of the writing process because you have to think about what you are going to write. We are going to be using a graphic organizer this week. That is something that we really didn't practice in the classroom. We didn't get to it, so we are going to use a graphic organizer, and it's super easy. And I will show you what that looks like in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and pull up your assignment for this week. We are going to focus on one prompt all week, and this is what we're going to do today. I want you to brainstorm all that you know about something you are good at. It can be a sport you play, a talent you have, something school-related, or whatever you think is something you do well. Be sure to include every detail you can think of about that topic. After I brainstormed, I sat and thought about all the things that I could write about. I decided that I was going to choose, and let me pull that up, that I was good at growing plants. So this is the graphic organizer we are going to use this week. Please hold on to your work. I don't know, maybe you have a journal or a folder to keep your work saved because you are going to use each step all week. So don't write it down on a piece of paper and then throw it away because you are going to use your graphic organizer that you made today. You're going to use it tomorrow. So please save your work. And this is what I did. So I decided that I'm good at growing plants. So I wrote it down in the middle of my sheet of paper. And then I sat and thought, okay, well, how do I know I'm good at growing plants? Well, these are the details. I know what containers to use for my plants. I know my plants. I know their names. I know what they need. I provide proper sunlight, I provide proper soil for my plants, and I provide enough water for my plants. So your graphic organizer may look something like this. You may have more details. You may have 5, 6, 7, as many details as you want. But I would at least like for you to have at least 3 details. At least 3. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I want you to use as well. Actually, I won't show you that part today. I'll show you that part tomorrow. I don't want to confuse you. But this is what I have for you today. So go ahead and think about something you are good at. Write it down on a sheet of paper and write down all the details that you can provide that match your topic. And remember to stay on topic. If you choose something like video games, all of your details have to be about a video game or video games. If you choose a sport, all of your details have to be about that sport. Okay. All right. Now, what are you going to do once you create your graphic organizer, which is this? I would like for you to take a picture of it and you can send it to me. You can send it to my email, which is asegura1@saisd.net. Or you can take a picture and just text it to me. Please tell me, put your name in the text. That way I'll know who it's from. So you can text it to me at 210-816-0992. Or you can just show up to our writing Zoom meeting at 3:30, and I put it right here. It's on the stream page, and I will have daily Zoom meetings every day at 3:30. They are not required. You can go ahead and join in and add. This is for me to provide you with assistance and help. Think of it as a tutoring group. So if you're struggling with the writing assignment and you need help, I will be live at 3:30. So you can do that. You can show me on the Zoom at 3:30, your graphic organizer. You can email it to me at this address, or you can send me a text. And that is all I have for you today. Please remember to save your work. Like I said, you are going to use this graphic organizer that you make today. You will use it tomorrow. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Stay safe.